property investors and perhaps people that are doing property renovations. So here's a question for you. You just purchased a property, the home buyer survey didn't bring up any real issues, all looking pretty good, pretty standard things for an old property that you've just purchased. But you feel in the back bedroom on the ground floor, it feels really, really bouncy. Is this a common thing? Yes, it does happen quite a bit. And where houses have perhaps had extensions or they've had work done in the past, there may have been support walls that were in place previously that have been removed. Now, as we know, building standards and building regulations they've changed and they've increased, and the standards and expectations have increased significantly over the last few decades, of course. But with these old houses that you buy, one thing you've got to think to yourself, well, why is that's happening? So if we look at this one, for example, that we've just purchased in Earlsdon on Hearsall Lane. So you'll see across here, you'll think to yourself, gosh, well, we've got all of a sudden a support joist that's in place now across the building. And in addition to that, you've got some brick walls that are supporting that. So why is that in place? So with regards to this room above us, it was incredibly bouncy. And the realisation was that there wasn't sufficient support on that actual flooring that should really have been in place. All we've put in, we've actually put a support base in as well. But another thing that was actually delivered as well with regards to the structural engineer that came to the property was found that some of the joists have been damaged with regards to some damp as well. So what we've had to do is actually replace some wooden joists as well to ensure that whatever happens with regards to whatever we do above the kitchen, that there is sufficient support in place as well in line with building regulations to ensure that there's no unforeseen accidents that could happen in the future. Something to remember though, if you do have a floor that's incredibly bouncy, that's above, for example, a kitchen diner like this, please do get a structural engineer in to obviously investigate on what can be done to resolve it.